Hey there shoppers, it's Amy and I'm here with the MOHOMO Nova V5. This is a fantastic convertible stick vacuum cleaner. You can notice it's completely cordless. It has a gigantic battery life, huge runtime, and a lot of fun features. So let's go ahead and talk about this and why this is my new favorite stick vacuum. So first of all, it looks great. I don't know, to me personally, it kind of has some like Iron Man vibes a little bit. A very snazzy, good looking stick vacuum cleaner. It also, despite having that really nice long battery life, tons of runtime, it's very lightweight and it's easy to maneuver all around. So from the bottom up, let me tell you, the head itself goes every which way, forward, backwards, tips all the way around. So it's very easy to get in nooks and crannies, corners, and places that have been previously difficult to reach. And all of those little places that are hard to reach also are where dirt, dust, debris, pet dander, all that kind of stuff can be hanging out. And it helps a lot to have the mobility and flexibility of the brush head, but we also have headlights in the front. Big, nice headlights that are going to illuminate your path and make sure that you never miss a spot. It does have nice wheels and it will go all the way really flat and flush to the ground so you can get under chairs, tables, beds, things like that quite easily. It's adjustable, the stick itself, so people of different height can use this vacuum cleaner, whether you are quite short or quite tall. Very easy to change and adjust depending on who is using the vacuum at the time. You'll also notice it's just freestanding right here in front of me, which I find it to be very great, not only for storing your vacuum cleaner, but also if you happen to be interrupted and you need to take a break, someone comes to the door, the dog barks, phone rings, whatever it might be, it's very easy to just stand it up and you're good to go. Your battery right here can be taken off to charge if that's more convenient for you, or you can plug in right when everything is all together. It does have the nice trigger right here, but don't worry, just because it is that trigger design, it doesn't mean that you have to hold it down the entire time, which is very nice. You're not going to wear your fingers out. This is going to be perfect for you. It also has a really beautiful LED screen with colors. So if you're charging up, you know, you're gonna get colors going all the way around, and depending on which mode you're in, kind of like 1 tornado swirl up to 3 tornado swirls for the hardest and strongest level of suction. You'll have different colors going around and different lights illuminated up here. It's all touchscreen as well. And you do have your icons for things like your filter, whenever that needs to be replaced. And by the way, your filter is right in here in this dustbin. And this is really great for people that have allergies, if you are a pet household, whatever it might be. This is a really nice dustbin because of all of those filters, and also because of just the design, it trapping and getting all of that dust and dirt out of your floors and carpets and in here safely. It's also very simple because it's one button right here, boop. All that nasty junk that you picked up falls out of here into your trash can, and good to go. It also has that kind of nice little V-shaped brush roll. You'll see Biscuit, I don't know if you can see him in frame, but he has decided to join me because there's a storm going on outside and he gets a little nervous. But having a pet household, come here bud, having a pet household, having the no tangle brush roll is so important. That nice little V-shaped, all of that, make sure that even when you're picking up your pet messes and your hair, your long hair maybe, it's not constantly getting stuck. It's nice and anti-tangle for you. I really love this one. It's not too loud, actually. Biscuit has no problem with the vacuum cleaner, as you can see. He's much more upset by the storm. So this is not overly loud. It's not overly bulky. It's very easy, lightweight, and it's super convertible, not only with that height, but of course you can easily transform this into a hand vacuum, or with the stick on, you can use that for kind of an extended pull with your crevice tool, which you guys know I absolutely love. It's such a saver for your car, your couch cushions, all those little nooks and crannies where there ends up being crumbs or something, or pet hair inevitably. So you've got your crevice tool, and you also have an upholstery brush tool that you can use again with your hand vac. Get those pat beds, or maybe use the extended stick and get your curtains in places that are hard to reach up high. Overall, I'm really, really happy with this brand. They made a great looking vacuum that just works and has all of the features that I want. Everything that is convenient, everything that is a must-have, they've got it. You even get extra filters and a rack right here that you can put on the wall, including the mounting hardware that's places for not only your vacuum cleaner, your charger, but also your accessories. So they really hooked you up with everything. I think it is a thoughtful design. It's got a crazy long runtime. It's got really, really high suction, much higher than your robot vacuum cleaner, and almost on par with most corded vacuums, which is really, really incredible to be this lightweight, small, fast charging, and with that huge runtime. Really, really incredible. Plus, it's got a brushless motor that is also quite powerful, meaning you are getting everything out of your carpets, off your floors, and creating a much happier, healthier, cleaner home. I love this, you guys. I think you guys are gonna love it as well. I'm going to leave all of the information in the description for you below, so you can go ahead and get to shopping. Adios, amigos.